Stuck on the side of the highway with a broken-down semi-truck is a situation no one wants to find themselves in. The clock's ticking, and every second spent stranded is a hit to your business. But don't panic. Help is at your fingertips with our innovative AI-powered directory. Imagine a directory that not only lists repair services but also analyzes your specific needs, recommends the best options, and connects you to them in a flash. That's the power of our AI technology. It simplifies the process of finding heavy-duty truck repair services, reducing your downtime and getting you back on the road faster. First, the AI uses your GPS coordinates to pinpoint your exact location, identifying nearby repair shops. Next, you key in the size and weight of your semi-truck and trailer, and the AI filters the results for shops equipped to handle your specific vehicle. Then you just describe your truck's issue and the AI suggests shops with expertise in that area. But our directory doesn't stop at convenience. It's also about quality and reliability. We verify all listed shops to ensure they're reputable and have a proven track record. We include shops offering 24/7 emergency services for those urgent repairs, and we provide upfront estimates so you can make an informed decision without any surprises. So, the next time your semi-truck needs repair, don't let the stress of the situation get the better of you. Use our AI-powered directory to find the perfect repair shop and get back on the road fast. Visit our website to experience the future of heavy-duty truck repair. And remember, if your semi needs a tow, don't hesitate. Call 844-888-7587 for immediate assistance, because with our AI-powered directory, you're never alone on the road.